Okay, so welcome back. So previously we was install a couple of things, so we was making the old terminals, and now we just have a few things left. So let's make some backup first before we start, because we don't know what we're gonna do actually. Install timeshift. Okay. Oh my god. So timeshift. There you go. Just remake some backup. Well, basically it's not backup, it's a snapshot. Uh, so we run the administrator. You can also find it here. There you go. So let's create some snapshot. So we go in the wizard. So set that up. Next. Yep. Okay. So basically I don't have a space anymore. I already run out. So this is the program what you need to for a backup. This is the install, and then when you complete the wizard, then you just press create, and he make the snapshot of your system. Okay. So next thing, what we need to do, we're using a lot probably the GitHub. So what we need is let's say connection for between the GitHub and our machine. So also what we need is let's create for this machine what we have. Let's create some link. So sudo etc host. There you go. So what was the IP address over there? I can keep that a little bit separately. Wasp. Got for all time 192.168.80.130, and that's called wasp.app. Okay, so that's the name for it. That we finish over here as well. And this is probably also already expired date. Now Control X, Y, that's it. So here we are ready. For a bulb suite we will also need the Foxy proxy. So Foxy proxy we will do that in preferences. Just simply Foxy proxy. Uh, okay, so I already have it. So here we go. You can just download it here and add that into the navigation bar. Okay, so this is we have. Let's go. Let's jump out on the SSH. Generate SSH between the GitHub. If you don't have a GitHub account, maybe it's time to create one. It's a very good thing. It's a free backup of data. Um, so let's have it. Oh, so we have GitHub. Right? No, type like this. Okay. So now we go into the GitHub. my machine. Okay. So how to set up the SSH? It's basically very easy. We go into the settings, slide down into the SSH. As you can see, I have already 3 keys here. This one is not still verified. It's for a different operating system for this one. So this is for Parrot and this is for a Kali. So basically, when you want to generate a new SSH key, you just simply go over here, press button. So all commands we needed, it's checking for existing if we have any, of course. So this is, we can start with this one. Then we go into the generate. So we need this one. We can actually type any type of email address, whatever we want. And then we go, just follow the instructions. Yeah, we can add the agent for SSH. So this is the command. But basically, when you generate the SSH, it's gonna be you have to visit it. So let's search for it. So repeat this one more time to see if it's all good. Okay, if you see it, so then cut. Probably have to be sudo. Our login as root. Simply like this, like it was previously. /dot ssh / and the name of the key. Like this, something's gonna be like public. So then you print out on the screen. You can actually have a look on my one. It just shows how is it gonna be. Wrong password again. Ah, Jesus. Right. Here we go. Okay, so we just go into the directory. This. Oh my god. There you go. So I can see my public key. Not ls, but cut. There you go. So we copy that all of the way with this one, like this. Copy. Yeah. Then close it already. And then we go into the directory where it's over here. Basically 1, 2, 3. No. And we create a new one. Past. This email address, we just grab it from it. Just copy it, not good. And we paste it into. So that's everything. You have a you can just press add and you have a SSH connection. You just verify that, and that's everything. You can start downloading by SSH communications. So that's everything for this session. On the next one, we start going into the hack the box. We start making ready all of the keys, and we start doing some labs. Okay.